Faces! Today we're going to open up this mysterious package. I honestly have no idea who it's from, and there's a note on it that says, do not open until 1,000 subscribers. Well, thankfully, with your guys' help, I reached 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much. We have a fart face hive of 1,000 people. Can you imagine 1,000 fart faces? That's us. That's us. We did it. Thank you so much, everyone who subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. So let's open up this mystery package. But I have a feeling that it's going to be from a diamond painting pen because it's Diamond Painting Pen Pal. So we'll see. But this mysterious message is like, what is going on? Okay, who is this from? I'll know and you'll know because I'll figure it out and I'll put it in the description box and in the title. But who, I'm like, literally, I have no idea. How did you get my address? Who sent this to me? Please let me know. Oh, look, first thing, a little diamond ring. Oh, whoever sent this, are you asking me to marry you? I'm already taken by Clayton, but I mean, if you want to give me a real diamond ring, that would be nice. This is amazing. This is so cute. Is this an eraser? It feels like an eraser. That's adorable. Is there a card? I feel a card. Okay. I feel a card. Sticker. Diamond Pen Pal. Etsy.com/shop/Diamond Pen Pal. If you want to go visit them, there it is. I'll put the information in the description box below. Let's see what this card says. Very mysterious. I hope that I don't have an internet stalker. Well, I mean, an internet stalker, if they want to send me pens, that's cool. So a little shoe. Let me open it up. Congratulations on receiving 1,000 subscribers. Your channel is awesome and you're absolutely amazing. Oh, had this made for you. Enjoy. Love you, fart face Debbie Rice. Debbie! Debbie! Oh, that's so nice. I have to fan myself. I'm fanning myself right now. Thank you so much, Debbie. You're so sweet. Seriously, seriously, seriously. Okay, what else do we have in here? We have more stickers. Hi, my name is Michael with a B. What? What is this from? Is this from a show? I don't understand this reference, but I like the B. Hi, my name is Michael. Is this like from The Office? I have no idea what that reference is. Anything else in here before we pull out the pen? Okay, I'm super excited. Like super duper excited. So you guys know me, I'm not like a super huge pen person, but I still love diamond painting pens, and I always told everyone that like, oh, I'll get like 2 or 3 more pens and I'll be set, because I literally use all of my pens. I have probably 3 diamond painting pens that I use on a regular basis, and so I'm very excited to have this other pen. I can put probably like a 15 placer on it or a 10 placer. I'm super stoked. Okay, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm so excited. So excited, Debbie. Thank you so much, Debbie. You're such a sweetheart. Okay. It's really in there. Okay, so there's a tip protector to protect the single tip placer. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, Debbie. It's a honeycomb pen with bees in it. Oh, this is so thoughtful. You see this pen? There's like holographic little bees in it too. Oh, and it's a no roll pen, so the bottom of it is flat. So like you won't knock it over. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Debbie. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna cry. This is so thoughtful. Thank you so, so much. I love my pen. Okay, I'm gonna go now and enjoy this pen, but thank you so much, Debbie. You're an amazing person. I really appreciate this. And thank you everyone for supporting my channel and helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you again, Debbie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this pen is so beautiful. Look at the bees in it. Okay, I'm gonna go before I get more awkward. So thank you so much. for my mystery package, and I really appreciate it. I love you. Thank you. If you're new here and you like diamond painting videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis. I'll see you guys in my next video. In the meantime, I'm going to be diamond painting with my new pen, my new B pen. Thank you. Bye. Bye.